Today I'm going to show you how to make two things, phone stand and fake plant. For phone stand you need a cardboard paper roll and mark it like how I did and then cut it. The phone stand is ready. Now you can wrap it with some papers. Now I'm making a fake plant. For that I'm drawing many leaves and then painting it green. Now you have to take green strips and roll it. Now stick the paper rolls on the leaf with glue. You can put it in any box. I am taking a cardboard box and it's ready. You can keep it on a table. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.